Imagine this. You finally get that raise you've been dreaming of. Your salary increases, your paycheck feels heavier, and for a moment, you feel rich. But a few months later, nothing has changed. Your account balance is still tight. Your credit card bill is still chasing you. And deep down, you realize something shocking. Earning more money hasn't made you any richer. Today, let's uncover the uncomfortable truth, why earning more money won't make you rich.
Society has programmed us to believe that the more you earn, the richer you are. A higher salary, a bigger business profit, a fatter paycheck. That's the dream, right? But here's the trap. Income is not wealth. Think about it. If someone makes $10,000 a month, but spends $9,500 of it, are they truly rich? Compare that to another person earning $4,000 a month, but saving and investing $1,500 every single month. Who do you think will be wealthier after 10 years? The answer is obvious. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow.
This is where most people get stuck. Lifestyle inflation. The moment income rises, expenses rise even faster. You got a raise? Upgrade the car. Promotion? Let's move into a bigger apartment. Bonus? Time for the latest phone, a luxury vacation, or designer clothes. And just like that, every extra dollar gets consumed by a new lifestyle. It feels like progress, but in reality, you're running on a treadmill. You're earning more, but going nowhere. Warren Buffett once said, "If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you do need." That's the lifestyle trap in a single sentence.
Now, some people might think, okay, fine, I won't overspend, I'll just save. But here's another trap. Saving alone won't make you rich either. Inflation eats into your savings. The cost of living rises every year. Keeping money in a bank account feels safe, but it's slowly losing value. That's why people who simply save but never invest end up stuck in the same place. The truth is, rich people don't just save money, they make money work for them.
Let's talk mindset. The middle class sees income as a tool for spending. The rich see income as a tool for buying freedom. Middle class logic, I got a raise, I can finally afford that car loan. Rich mindset, I got a raise, how can I invest this so I never have to worry about money again? One group buys liabilities, the other buys assets. One group is chasing status, the other is chasing freedom. And this is why, no matter how much you earn, if your mindset doesn't shift, you'll never build wealth.
Want proof? Look at lottery winners. Nearly 70% of them go broke within a few years. Why? Because income without financial discipline leads to destruction. Or consider professional athletes and celebrities. They earn millions during their peak years, yet so many end up bankrupt. Why? Because more income simply magnifies bad money habits. If you don't know how to manage $1,000, you'll never know how to manage $100,000. Wealth isn't built by numbers, it's built by discipline, habits, and strategy. Here's something most people don't realize. Wealth is relative. We constantly compare ourselves to others, colleagues, friends, social media influencers. That promotion your friend got doesn't define your worth. That fancy car someone bought doesn't mean you're failing. Comparison fuels lifestyle inflation and envy. It traps you in the cycle of chasing appearances instead of building real wealth. Truth? Focus on your own financial growth, not someone else's show.
Here's a secret the rich know. Time is the ultimate multiplier. $1 invested today can become $10 in 10 to 20 years. Skills learned today can generate income for decades. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's a long-term game. Compounded money, compounded knowledge, compounded effort. Patience and consistency beat short-term splurges every single time. Here's the silent killer of wealth: financial ignorance. Most people spend decades earning money, but never study how money actually works. Think about it. We spend years in school learning math, history, science, but not a single class on money management. Result? People who earn well still fall into debt, overspend, and live paycheck to paycheck. The truth is, ignorance is expensive. Every uninformed decision, a bad loan, a poor investment, an unchecked expense costs you years of progress. Financial ignorance is the most expensive debt you'll ever carry. Knowledge compounds just like money. The sooner you learn, the wealthier you become.
Here's a hard truth. There were only two sides of money: consumers and owners. Consumers spend money to buy what owners create. Owners build businesses, buy stocks, invest in real estate, and let consumers fund their wealth. Every time you buy the latest phone, someone else is becoming richer. Every time you rent a house, someone else is building equity. The wealthy don't just consume, they own. To escape the income trap, shift from being only a consumer to becoming an owner. Here's the line to emphasize. Every dollar you spend is either building someone else's wealth or your own. Choose wisely.
Finally, let's redefine what it means to be rich. Being rich isn't about cars, watches, or luxury vacations. It's about time freedom, waking up when you want. Choice freedom, doing work you love, not work you need. Peace of mind, knowing you're financially secure no matter what happens. Money is just a tool. Real wealth is freedom, impact, and control over your life. Don't chase the image of being rich. Build the reality of being free. Rich isn't about how much money you flash. It's about how much freedom you have.
At the end of the day, you can earn 6 figures and still be broke. Or you can earn modestly and quietly build real wealth. Remember this truth. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how much money you keep, how you protect it, and how you grow it. So next time you dream about earning more, stop and ask yourself, will this income make me rich, or am I just upgrading my lifestyle? Because the truth is simple. Earning more won't make you rich, but thinking differently about money will.